It is imperative for the students to understand that they understand the nuances of different placement processes. Hello everyone, this is Vikrant Jain, faculty at UWSB. As a part of academic teachings, I teach general management subjects such as business environment, business ethics and corporate governance, managerial communication, soft skills, and many more. I also teach HR specialization subjects, which is my forte, and I've been teaching management of industrial relations, labor laws, strategic HRM, and so on and so forth. I also take care of communication for placements, which is taught as a separate subject for the students, which makes them placement ready. They've been taught and trained for verbal aptitude and different aptitude sections. They are also groomed for group discussions, debate, different kind of interviews such as stress interviews. Apart from this, we also groom these students for different kind of soft skills which are not only required to enter into an organization but to survive in an organization as well. The trainings and the workshops cover email writing skills, cover letter, assertiveness, decision-making skills, problem-solving skills, and many more. It is an endeavor of not only me but the entire institute to groom these students in such a manner that they can survive in the most difficult business environment. Therefore, we would like to say one thing: together we can and we will make the difference. Thank you.